morning, children. Welcome to our English explanatory class. Children, today we are going to start a new chapter from our reader book, and the chapter name is Sikkim. Children, Sikkim is a northeastern state. You can see that this is our Indian map, and we have 28 states and 8 union territories. Among the 28 states, Sikkim is one of the beautiful states in India. Children, there are 8 northeastern states in India. These are Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, Sikkim and Tripura. Children, you can see these 8 states are outlined in green. These are the northeastern states, and Sikkim is one of them. It is outlined in blue. Children, I'm telling you one interesting fact. Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland and Tripura. These 7 states are collectively called 7 sisters, and Sikkim is called only brother of 7 sisters. Children, today we will be learning more about Sikkim. It is really a beautiful place. You will enjoy knowing more about the place. So let's enjoy reading and also explanations. So let's read. When Ria reached her school in the morning, she found a new girl sitting in a seat. Ria smiled and sat next to her. Soon the teacher entered and introduced the new girl to the class. Teacher, good morning students. I want to introduce you all to your new classmate Bodhi. Bodhi belongs to Sikkim, which is one of the most fascinating states of India. Situated in the eastern Himalayas, it spreads below Kanchenjunga, the 3rd highest mountain in the world. Since Bodhi is a new student, teacher wants to introduce Bodhi with all of her classmates. Teacher explains that Bodhi belongs to Sikkim, and Sikkim is one of the most attractive states of India, which is located in the eastern Himalayas, and it also covers the area below Kanchenjunga. And Kanchenjunga is the 3rd highest mountain in the world. Since this chapter is based on the conversation between teacher and students, so now the students are telling, "Hello Bodhi, welcome to our class." Now Bodhi tells, "Thank you all." Again teacher is telling, "Students, you all have read about some of the states in Northeast India. Sikkim is one of them. It is one of the smallest states of India, shaped in the form of a thumb. This state is landlocked. West Bengal, Bhutan and Nepal are some of its neighbors. Gangtok is the capital and the largest town of Sikkim." Teacher explains that Sikkim is one of the smallest states of India, and its shape is like a thumb, and it is a state which is surrounded by land on all sides, and its neighbors are West Bengal, Bhutan and Nepal, and its largest town is Gangtok, which is the capital of this state. Now next page number 32. The students listened carefully to the new information they had received. Now Raja is one of the students in this class is saying, "Miss, Sikkim must be a beautiful land." Now teacher is replying, "Yes Raja, in fact the entire state is hilly and has plenty of forests with wonderful flowers and trees. The main river in the state, the Tista, flows from north to south and is known as the lifeline of Sikkim. Teacher is explaining that though the state is hilly, it has many forests with wonderful flowers and trees, and the main river Tista flows from north to south, and it is also the lifeline of Sikkim. Now Misa is asking, Miss, what about the animals? Now teacher is replying that yes, Misha, Sikkim is also home to some rare animals and birds. The snow leopard, Himalayan black bear, red panda, musk deer, and blue sheep are some of the rare animals found there. Birds like vultures, eagles, the whistling thrush, bulbuls, peasants, etc. can also be spotted in the forest. Teacher also explains that there are some unusual birds and animals also spotted in the forest. Now the bell rang for recess. Ria and Bodhi started having lunch together. Ria is telling, hey, what have you brought for lunch? Bodhi, noodles. Wow, that's my favorite food. Bodhi is replying, please have it, Ria. What have you brought? Now Ria is saying that it's aloo ka paratha, Bodhi. Please taste it. Hope you will find it delicious. The noodles are also very tasty. Now Bodhi is replying, thanks Ria. The aloo ka paratha is very soft and delicious. I really miss my friends in Sikkim. We used to play in the recess and share our food. Our diet is mainly non-vegetarian. Noodle-based dishes like thukpa, chow mein, wontons and fakto are common in Sikkim. I really love momos that are served with soup, and they are also one of the most popular dishes in Sikkim. And you know, Ria, we have chang, which is a famous Sikkim drink. It is served in bamboo containers and with bamboo straws. He explains to Ria that their diet is mainly non-vegetarian and noodle-based dishes, and they also love momos and a special drink which is called chang and which is served in bamboo containers with bamboo straws. Now Ria is saying that's very unique and so eco-friendly. Eco-friendly means, children, not harmful to environment. So Bodhi is replying that yes, Ria, even our houses are very simple. They are made from bamboo and lined with cow dung. In some places higher on the mountains, the houses are made of wood. Now Ria is again asking, Bodhi, what is Sikkim famous for? Now Bodhi is replying that Sikkim is famous for its beautiful art and crafts, which include carpets and articles made from woven bamboo. You must have heard about Sikkim's famous mask dance. The people dress up in gaily colored costumes, masks, swords, and sparkling jewels. They dance to the sound of drums and the trumpeting of horns. He is replying to Ria that Sikkim is famous for its beautiful arts and crafts. Bodhi also explains that Sikkim is also famous for its mask dance. In this dance, people dress up with bright colored costumes, masks, swords, and very shining jewels. They dance to the sound of drums and the very loud sound of horns. Now Ria is telling, I am really getting curious about your state, Sikkim. It must be a good place to visit. Now Bodhi is replying, it is indeed, Ria, though Sikkim is a small state, but it attracts many tourists. People visit Sikkim not only to enjoy the view but also for mountaineering, trekking, river rafting, yak safari, mountain biking, and hand gliding. Now Ria is again saying, my father told me that Sikkim got its first airport recently. Now Bodhi is replying, yes Ria, it's called the Pakyong Airport. Now many more people will able to visit my beautiful state. Now Ria is saying, wow Bodhi, I'm wondering how exciting it would be to visit Sikkim. After describing the art and crafts and dance style of Sikkim, Bodhi also explains that people visit Sikkim not only for enjoy the view but also for mountaineering. Mountaineering means the activity of mountain climbing. Trekking. Trekking means to go on a long journey, typically on foot. River rafting. The sport of traveling down a river on a raft. Yak safari. Safari is a journey taken to observe animals in their natural habitat. And mountain biking and hand gliding. Hand gliding means a sport in which you fly in the sky using an instrument. So Bodhi is explaining that people not only visit Sikkim for enjoying the beauty but also for mountaineering, trekking, rafting, yak safari, mountain biking and hand gliding. So when Ria is telling that her father told her that Sikkim got its first airport recently, so Bodhi also explains that yes, it is Pakyong Airport, and because of this airport, now many people will be able to visit her beautiful state, Sikkim. Now Ria is very excited and she says that I'm wondering how exciting it would be to visit Sikkim. Okay, children, now it's your turn to read this chapter 2 to 3 times and underline the difficult words, and if you are not able to understand any line or any word, please ask in our next doubt clearing classes. Okay children, thank you.